Hi, this is John Sonmez from Pluralsight, and today we're going to be talking about the Android project. The goal of this module is to get you familiar enough with the Android project structure so that you'll be able to understand when you create an Android application, where do you put certain files and where can you find files and configuration in your Android project. The very first thing we're going to talk about is the source folder, which contains all of your source files that you'll be creating for your Android project. Next is the gen folder. As you can guess, this is the generated folder that contains files that are generated for you by Eclipse. And then is the resource folder, which is a res folder. It contains resources that you may use in your application. Then the Android manifest file. This is a file that contains configuration for your Android project. And then finally, I'm going to go over some tips for Eclipse. If you're starting out with Eclipse and you don't have a lot of familiarity, this section might be very useful for you. I've found that there's a few things that you know about Eclipse can really help you get a jump start and really increase your productivity from the start. So I'm just going to go over some of the tips here that I've picked up using Eclipse that may be able to help you to really start using Eclipse a lot faster than it would take you trying to learn some of these things on your own.